With the festive season ahead, banks across India have started giving offers. And one such offer that is being going around is the interest rates of home loans that are at an all-time low across the country. Top banks today have reduced rates of new home loan, including the balance transfers. So, if you're intending to buy a house, then this might be a right time. Home loan borrowers have been witnessing a good time since March 2020 following the RBI's cumulative repo rate cuts of 115 basis points. Getting a home loan is one of the most important financial decisions in life as it is a long-term commitment and is very expensive. So therefore, you need to understand that you should take or opt for a home loan not because there is a low interest rate, as it might be a huge mistake and will also leave you with financial troubles. With that being said, now we'll look at some of the common mistakes that every home buyer should avoid. Hi, I'm Namita Pandey. Welcome to IndianMoney.com. Let's get started. So the first one is no self-assessment of credit score. The first mandatory step of availing or taking any kind of loan is to have a healthy credit score. A credit bureau provides the credit score and it can easily be downloaded. A credit score above 700 gives you a favorable scheme, and this also gives you the power to apply for any loan from the best banks too. Any lender assesses your credit score before giving or lending a loan. So it is important that you look at your credit score before applying to any kind of loans. The second one is lack of proper research. Getting a home loan without a proper research and introspection is not quite smart. You need to make sure that you will be able to repay the loan on time without damaging your financial health. Hence, it is important that you do some research before applying for a loan from a particular institution. So do cross-check, double-check your requirements, your finances, check their terms and conditions, identify their hidden charges, what is the processing fee, what is the repayment options do you have, etc. After assessing all of this, then select a particular bank and a particular scheme. The third mistake includes opting for shorter tenure. As far as possible, it is advisable not to opt for shorter tenure home loan. The shorter the tenure, the smaller the amount will be. And this will lead to a higher risk of repayment of your EMIs, considering a high EMI. The eligible amount will also depend on various factors such as age, your credit history, your repayment capacity, etc. So a longer tenure will also ease your EMI as well as meet your financial objectives. The fourth mistake includes overestimating your repayment. The biggest mistake most people generally do is not including their monthly expenses when calculating their repayment capacities. The bank generally gives you the loan looking at your liabilities. So if your monthly expenses are too high and you're taking a home loan of a higher EMI, it may lead to a financial crisis. Your EMI outflow should not exceed more than 30 to 40% of your income. Also, while taking or opting for home loan, you should not depend on future events. Suppose you're taking a higher home loan thinking that your salary will increase the next day or in the future. So by looking at your present financial situation, only then you should opt for any kind of home loan. Lastly, not taking insurance cover. Home loan borrowers should take an insurance cover to protect their families from any financial distress. In case of any unforeseen events, home loan insurance will help the families to clear the dues. Today, multiple insurance products cover home loans. So take a life sum that includes your liabilities. Not securing your liabilities is the risk that most borrowers do not recognize. So before you take a home loan, make sure you assess your credit score, you don't overestimate your repayment capacities, you do proper research, you opt for longer tenure and take an insurance cover. Also, if you are someone who is interested and you want to learn and know more about personal finance, business, agriculture, life career building courses, etc., then do download the Financial Freedom app right now. Also, if you like the video, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified whenever we post the next video. Thank you for watching IndianMoney.com. Get wise and break free.